Now that we're done with our side taper, we can move on to the C cups and use our anesthesia outliners to make them as crispy as possible. Remember, I always like to start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch, going as slow as possible, making sure the hair feeds into the clipper. It's always best to detail after you're done lining them up because it does show a few guidelines in the fade or taper. Here we're using our previous guards to detail the taper as much as possible. Always, before you line up someone's goatee or beard, you comb it out. It's always best to lay the client's head back for they can be more comfortable and also more stability for you. Before we line them up, we're going to debulk the hairline with the one guard all the way open to the last notch. We're then going to use our anesthesia outliners to line them up, starting off in the middle and working our way to the sides. Remember, we're not pressing too hard and we're keeping the hairline as natural as possible. Always keep your client's vertical bars as natural as possible. Again, always add extra details to the hairline. This is the main thing that clients pay attention to. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you leave a comment down below that you made it this far into the video, I'm 100% going to reply to it. Moving on to my Turkish razor Derby premium blades, we're gonna make them as crispy as possible. We're also gonna be doing his eyebrows and beard. Before we use the razor, you always want to apply shave gel to make the blade glide a little bit smoother. And then also you want to stretch the skin as much as possible before you use the razor because you don't want to cut them.